The following contest is a special referee match and is for the Internet's Wrestling Championship.
Yeah, now this guy is gonna call this one fairly.
No, you're about as biased as he is.
The special referee for this match, the Captain X.
You guys think he's excited to try his hand at refereeing?
I don't think he wanted it to come to this in the first place. He just wants to make sure we have some law and order here tonight.
Keeping these competitors in line and enforcing the rules is going to be a tricky task.
그러다 자연스레 스며들어가고 너와 나는 서로의 일상이 되었지. 내가 내딛는 걸음에 다짐을 가져주었던 내 앞에 있는 날들에 바라봐준 네가 있기에 그저 이 자리에 머무르던 나에게 새로운 길이 보이게 됐어. 언제나 함께했던 나의 지나온 날처럼 너의 일상을 새롭게 비워주고 싶어. 당신을 힘들게 되고 싶은 나의 꿈길 속을 걸으며 오랫동안 원한 웃음 지울 수 있게 어제 햇살 같은 언덕웃음을
Oh yeah, I am pumped for this guy.
This is it, guys. The title is up for grabs here.
And this might be the most highly anticipated title defense in recent memory.
너에게 나눠줄 비행선을 타고서 이렇게 저 하늘까지라도 날아가 시간도 날 따라잡을 수가 없잖아. 약속해 몇백억 명이 걸리더라도 저장해 꼭 다시 만나러 갈 테니까 난 절대로 날 잊지 않기로 해. So baby fly 이렇게 광활한 세상을 너의 두 눈으로 가득 담아 새겨봐. 너는 나 우리 다시 만나게 되면 그때는 이제 네가 나의 우주니 네가 새겨놓은 반짝이는 긴 시간 달려왔던 나를 위한 휴식처가 되줄 테니까 우리들만 거기 있을 테니까.
Some say he's the underdog tonight, but in his mind, winning the title is a mere formality.
빛나는 네 눈 속에 내가 있을 자리는 없단 걸 알지만
And here comes one of my favorites.
Big match here, guys, as the title will be on the line tonight. And the champ has looked dominant of late, but all it takes is one wrong move, and that title could be going home with somebody else. The WWE Universe more than ready for this title defense, and the champion
Introducing the challenger. From South Korea, weighing in at 220 pounds, Holland Maniac! And his opponent, from South Korea, weighing in at 265 pounds, the Internet's Wrestling Champion, Dog Burton!
Intensity on the face of the champion. Challenger in the corner, looking more determined than I've ever seen. The champion came out here somewhat gloating their belt around. Don't know if that's their way of playing mind games. That title should get the champion into the pin. And the challenge interrupts the pin before two.
And our guest official calling that one down the middle.
Our guest referee showing superb reaction skills, not missing a thing.
Wow. Bang! He finds a count.
Double leg takedown, got the shoulders down.
Kick out at two. That may have been a slow count.
Our guest referee with a textbook count.
Our designated official being as fair and square as one can be with that count.
Belly to belly suplex. We got to cover, guys, for the championship.
And that gets just a two count.
And our referee watched that one closely.
And keeping attention to the official, I saw no fault with his count at all there.
Just using their foot as a weapon. Boot right to the throat. The challenger really taking it on the chin here.
He knows this is a contact sport. He expected some damage tonight.
Using the elbow to escape the attack. Oh, man. Drop kick finds the spot.
I think we know what he's thinking, and it's not going to be nice. Tied up between the ropes. It's about to get worse. Look at these knee strikes. Oh! There's always a lot of pressure on the special guest referee.
Yeah, Corey, there's no telling how biased or unbiased they're going to be when that bell rings.
The pin for the championship. Oh, he kicked out.
And the referee is not playing favorites here.
Our official kept a fair count there, really earning his stripes.
Underhook suplex.
Watching like a predator with wounded prey. He's as good as done here. Hoisted way up high. This is gonna be bad. Driven down, powerbomb.
Into the pin. Two. No, he gets the shoulder up.
Standard officiating there for sure.
I'd say our special referee is taking the duty very seriously. Looks like he was up all night practicing his technique.
Oh, quick way to respond with the reversal.
Measured up and
Post drop. Ow.
hammerlock. Implanted by the DDT. And there it is. The title's not going anywhere tonight.
Amazing! I don't believe it. How did the challengers survive that?
By the skin of their teeth. And don't expect the champ to start going easy on him now. You can't accuse our guest referee of going into business for himself after that fair count.
A
Officiating was a big question coming into this match. Byron, how would you evaluate the officiating thus far?
Our referee's done a good job. Ethical, consistent, and on top of the action.
He's pushing back now. This could be the turning point for him. It could be the start of a rally. Leg kick.
This is going to be nasty. Kick right to the gut and a boot in the face. The champ is in agony here.
It's all about focus. You have to be able to ignore the pain as the match wears on.
He's out of the ring. What does he have in mind now?
Up and...
Oh, knee right to the spine.
Guys, they're getting a little too close for comfort.
Stop hiding behind Cole, Saxton.
Shot after shot, then slamming their face down.
Striking with a knee. Cover to be crowned champion. Close call makes the champ nervous.
The referee respecting his job and being impartial with his count.
Well, you certainly can't complain about the officiating on that pin count.
What a battle we are witnessing.
We're at a stage where someone's going to have to shift it into another gear.
Here we go for the championship. He kicks out with force.
Finding the power to shake off the pin attempt.
And pay attention to the referee's excellent positioning. Footage from this should be used at the Performance Center.
Oh no, now possibly setting up for a submission maneuver. Oh, is this one over? Is a tap out coming?
Mike kneeing his way out. And he's free.
Flapjack shoulders down to retain. Breaks the count.
And give it to the referee. That was a standard pin count for sure.
That officiating is almost too good. In fact, I'd say it's suspiciously fair and balanced.
To the back of the neck. Ooh! And the challenger's really not looking so hot now.
Or he surely doesn't have much left in him.
Looking to lock it in here. Camel clutch.
We've been feeling desperately trying to find a way, and he does.
What a shot.
That was vicious.
That's it. The title's going nowhere.
Oh, he just kicked out.
The champion's shock is palpable. The champ will have to dig deeper now.
You can't say our ref messed around with his cadence during that pin.
Look at this. This can't be good.
Oh, right to the throat. Ooh.
Stops the incoming attack with a knee to the face.
And now he's back into the ring. Oh. On a tilt-a-whirl sidewalk slam. A reversal. He's...
God, I know what's next.
Axe kick.
Man, we might see a new champion crowned.
And the cover. Shoulder roll still holding on to the title.
Guys, I thought we were getting a new champion there. Well, we might see a new champ here tonight.
Don't put the cart before the horse. The champ kicked out and has no intentions on losing that title anytime soon. Our guest referee showing superb reaction skills. Not missing a thing. Counters and counters. Each superstar looking dialed in.
Driving a knee right to the ribs.
You can feel the WWE Universe reverberating up every corner in this building. From the top rope.